You ain't liking what we doing? Shut up.
A recession, I'ma keep this thing going. If you ain't know, I bet you probably still work for Bermuda. That's right, I get my work for 'em. They don't get paid, I got hard and perk for 'em. Niggas out of line, get a shovel in the dirt for 'em. Niggas wanna move, get the trucks in the shirt for 'em. OG status, my job's got perks for 'em. Money, clothes, hoes, you ain't never gotta search for 'em. You know what I'm doing, nigga, I'ma do things, get into the money. I guess I got a few things, 15 nines, 5 dimes, only 2 chains. Smoke like Jamaicans, run it like I'm Usain. Fresh from their haircut, down to the shoestrings. Hoes talk about me, I'ma need a new name, Steve G the Prince. I'm looking like the new king, all I do is